Ndereti ya waagi wa mutu uria ukoretwo kigumira bururi ndiguthiraga yatira. Mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga egucerete dukaini ya uchumi mweno wa Westlands kuria akorire watho ati mundu ndakoe makiria ma mitu iri. Nona watho ucio ukihagikagwo gutire na mutu. Kuringana na Raila Odinga, mutu nduraga o uguo no ni waagi urathondekwo ni thirikari ya Jubilee.
Our purpose today is to remind the President that Kenyans still have no hunger and to express our strong and growing belief that this famine has been manufactured by Jubilee. It is a political purpose, and the President is merely shedding crocodile tears.
Raila athiete na mbere na kuuga ati thirikari ya Jubilee ikoretwo ikirega kwamukira uteithio kuma kuri mabũrũri na ikundi cia wendi mwega.
As we speak, a consignment of 2,100 metric tons of rice donated by the People's Republic of China is yet to be declared at the port of Mombasa. It would appear Jubilee officials do not want to distort the market with donated rice because spouses of senior officials in the administration are the key importers of rice from Pakistan.
Ninge aroiga thirikari ya Jubilee itanyite kuherithia a Kenya na waagi uyu niguo igacoka irehe mbembe thiku cia gukuhiriria githurano niguo kuha a Kenya kumaikiria kura ringi. Ireta njira ya kurua na waagi wa mutu, thirikari yeheririe igoti na gucungiriria guthio kwa mutu wa ciringi 90, mutu uria utaroneka riu. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Monica Kagoni.